Hey guys, Tony here. So I did get a request on GALA. I'm super upset because I actually recorded like a 10-minute video on GALA explaining basically what I just did all around here. And it cut off because I didn't have any memory on my iPhone, so it didn't even save. So I'm gonna break this down pretty easily. I don't want to spend another 10 minutes doing a full TA on GALA, and I'm just gonna get straight to the basics. Stochastic is on structure. I think we're going to bounce up here. I would not be surprised to see GALA tomorrow or in 2 days at around 74 cents or so. If we have bear momentum, I do think that GALA is basically going to trade sideways between like 50 cents and like 60-ish cents. That's basically it. Again, I really only do things on confirmation, so I'm waiting for the hour to actually give us a bull trigger. And again, you're going to have a bull trigger on the bottom of the zero line, and you actually have the stochastic being oversold on the hour. So I would consider this a violent 1 hour close. And the way that I'm actually getting the forecast is because we are trending right now, I'm just using the trending fib. I do think though, if we break if we break this bullish channel, I do think, like always, you know, there's a really strong chance that you can go parabolic. But as of right now, I think that maybe in the next day or two, you can possibly see GALA at 74 cents as long as you stay on trend and you keep closing bullish triggers. Especially right now, I do think you're gonna have a bullish trigger on GALA in the next hour or two, possibly. And there's a lot of stuff going for it right now. Like I said, there's, you know, stochastic is following structure pretty well to the upside. I think you're going to have a nice bounce from here, just like you had here, just like you had here, right? That was essentially the start. And you're going to have a nice close on the hour. So as of right now, I do think we're headed to 74 cents, possibly in the next, I don't know, 9 to 12 hours, maybe, which would basically, the move from here to here is basically the same move that you're going to have from where you are now to the top of this bullish channel. And again, you guys know that I say there's never, you know, I don't believe in coincidences in the market, right? There's a reason that things happen the way that they do. Humans are by nature, you know, pattern driven, and that's why, you know, when you look at certain things, it's just, that's all trading is, right? A pattern. And I think that if you have, you know, another hour bull trigger, I think there's a super strong chance we're going to like 74 cents or at least the top of this bull channel, right? And this move right here, this 16-cent move, almost 17-cent move, is basically the same thing that you had from this low to this high. So it just kind of confirms my price target for GALA. So again, if we have bear momentum, I really doubt we'll go down to trend. I think at worst we'll go down to like 43 cents. But I think if we have bear momentum, we're just gonna trade sideways. And if we do have that hour trigger for the bull side and we close a violent 1 hour bull trigger, more than likely we might see 74 cents by tomorrow, sometime in the next, I don't know, like I said, tomorrow or in 2 days or so. But I'm definitely very bullish on GALA. I had like a 10K position in GALA. I just bought it, I think, like a day or two ago. So I actually bought it down at like 40 something cents, like 47 cents, I think. So I'm in the money right now, but I would definitely be much happier if we see GALA at 74 cents or even closer to like, you know, 90 cents, because in that way I'll make like a full 100%, right? So have a great night, guys. Like I said, I don't want to spend 10 more minutes on a video that I already recorded. So bear momentum, I think, you know, if we start going down, I really doubt it. I think we're just going to go sideways. But if we have bullish momentum and we have a really big trigger on violent trigger on the reverse MACD, I think we're going to keep running to the upside towards 74 cents. And we're also on perfect structure on the stochastic, right? We're basically perfect structure right now. So I can definitely see us from right here, wherever we are right now, from right here on the Stoke, all this move to run to the upside. So that's what I'm thinking is going to happen here, run to the upside. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. Bye-bye.